Hello everyone. Are you wondering why a guinea pig might be sneezing? Let's find out. Guinea pigs can sneeze for several reasons. One common cause is dust or allergens in their environment. Bedding materials such as wood shavings can be dusty and irritate their respiratory system. Switching to a low-dust bedding like paper-based products can help. Another cause could be an upper respiratory infection, which is more serious and requires veterinary attention. Symptoms of an infection include frequent sneezing, nasal discharge, lethargy, and loss of appetite. Environmental factors like drafts, strong odors, or poor ventilation can also lead to sneezing. Ensure your guinea pig's habitat is clean, well ventilated, and free from strong smells or smoke. In summary, guinea pigs might sneeze due to dust, allergens, or respiratory infections. Providing a clean, low-dust environment and seeking veterinary care if necessary can help keep your guinea pig healthy and comfortable. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and support us on Patreon for more educational content about guinea pigs. Goodbye.